What's up, everybody? It's Craig here. Hey, just wanted to show you how to do a clean install of Mac OS X Mountain Lion. Why would you want to do this? Because if you were to do it the normal way, and I get that you don't have to mess with backing up your data and all that stuff, but I recommend if you ever buy a program or have stuff like that to save the emails they send you with the product key and all that stuff. That way you have that, but why I recommend doing this is that if you do it the normal way, which is go to the App Store, download Mountain Lion, and then go through the wizard, it'll install Mountain Lion over Lion or whatever you had last. But anyway, this is basically first things first. What you want to do is back up all your data, okay? And then you're gonna go ahead and do a clean restore, which is gonna make it like a brand new computer. And that's the way I like to do it. Everything is, you know, uh, you're not writing over an old operating system. Putting a whole brand new, latest and greatest Mountain Lion on there. So that's what we want to do. So back up all your data. That's first and foremost, and then go ahead and go into the App Store, pay the 20 bucks, download OS X Mountain Lion. Okay. After it's done downloading, after you've purchased it and it's done downloading, you're gonna go ahead and go into your applications folder. Okay. Um, and then it downloads as an app. So when it's done downloading, okay, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see this when it's done downloading. And instead of hitting continue, what I want you to do is hit Command Q. Just get out of it, okay? So it's done downloading it. You've purchased it. Now go ahead and go to your applications folder, and you're gonna double click. You're gonna secondary click on uh, the app, and then hit Show Package Contents. Okay. I forgot to mention before, you're going to need a flash drive 8 gigs or higher. So make sure you have a USB flash drive 8 gigs or higher. You can also do this with the actually, I don't know if a DVD would work because you're messing with the operating system's around 4 gigs. So I would just recommend a USB drive 8 gigs or higher. You can borrow from somebody. But anyway, so you go ahead and go into contents, shared support, and then this is the installed DMG right here. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. Okay, let's put that over there. And then second thing you're gonna need is disk utility. So let's open disk utility. Okay, I want you to go ahead and insert your USB drive right now. Okay, and when you insert your USB drive, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to erase it and format it to Mac OS X journal. So go ahead and you should see your thumb drive over here. Go ahead and click on your thumb drive, hit erase. You want to format it to Mac OS X extended journal, and then hit erase. Okay, it's going to erase everything on that thumb drive, so hopefully you didn't have anything on it. And then that should take about 5 seconds, and then when that's done, here, let me go ahead. I've already done this, so let me go ahead and remove it so you can see how the process works. So after you've erased that, go ahead and click on your thumb drive and click restore. Okay, there it is. Now I'm going to drag this install DMG over here. Alright, so there it is. The destination we want to be your thumb drive. So I'm going to drag that right there. And the source you want to be the Mountain Lion DMG. You're going to drag it right there. Okay, and then when that's done, all you do is click restore. It's going to take about 40 minutes. It's going to put the operating system on that thumb drive and turn it into a bootable operating system. So when that's done, what I want you to do is go ahead and get out of disk utility. Oh yeah, when that's done, you might get an error. Okay, Lion didn't give me this problem, but Mountain Lion did. You get an error. What I want you to do is, that's fine. Go ahead and click OK. Get out of this, and you're not going to see that thumb drive there anymore. I want you to take the thumb drive out, put it back in, and then when you open it up, you should see this. Okay, and that means everything's good to go. Everything's fine. You can go ahead and restore. So after your data is backed up, after you've mounted the operating system onto that thumb drive, go ahead. What you can do right now is restart the computer and hold the Option key, the Alt Option key, and you'll see the thumb drive pop up. Okay, and remember also we're going to be formatting this hard drive, so everything on this hard drive is going to be gone. So back your data up, make sure you know what programs you had, and be able to recover them. So again, we're formatting the hard drive. We're going to be losing everything. So go ahead and restart and hold the Alt Option key. Alright, and like I said, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and restart. Go to restart. Now, like I said, warning, 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 your data is about to be erased. So go ahead and back up if you haven't already done so, and I told you 50 times to do so, so it's not my fault. So restart, hold the Option key, which I'm doing right now, the Alt Option key. Okay, and now you see a bootable operating system right there. Okay, we're going to click on that, and it's going to bring up disk utility. And I think a lot of people might want to just go ahead and click on Mountain Lion. Don't do that because that's just like running the wizard. But go ahead and click on your bootable operating system, and it's going to bring up disk utility. It's going to bring up this, and then we're going to want to open up disk utility. If you were to just click on, and see, it even prompts you, hey, do you want to back it up? Do you want to get on help online about boot and stuff? But anyway, I'm your help. So, you know, a lot of people are just going to go ahead and want to click on this to install Mountain Lion. No, that's just going to install it right over your operating system. But you're going to open disk utility. Okay. And we're going to totally erase the hard drive. And it's got to be Mac OS X Extended Journaled. We're going to erase it. And you can even name it, I think, if you want. Okay. Erase. Now everything's getting wiped off your hard drive, and there it is. So now I have a completely formatted hard drive. Everything's gone. Now we have to go ahead and install the operating system. So just X out of this, and now we go ahead and install Mountain Lion. Agree. Agree. There you go. It's going to do its thing. I'll go ahead and start the recording back up when it's done doing its thing. Alright, so after it's done, it's going to bring you through the wizard of almost like you're restoring your iPhone or something like that, or an iDevice. You know, ask you for your Apple ID, your Wi-Fi password, and all that good stuff. But the biggest thing that's different about this from Lion is Lion came out last year before iCloud really started, you know, making a big dent, you know what I mean, as far as this integrated iCloud a lot. So it asks you during the wizard, hey, do you want to use iCloud with this? So your iCloud is going to be working with your Mac, and your iDevice is a lot better. And you can see what's different on this already. We got your reminders, just like on your iPhone. We got your iMessages, just like on your iDevices. So there's a lot of cool stuff. I played with this before it was released. My favorite feature on this is that if you have an Apple TV, you can mirror wirelessly. You don't have to hook up HDMI into a TV or anything like that. Just mirror right to your Apple TV, and there it is on an HD TV. So anyway, that's how to clean restore using a USB, and instead of installing a operating system over your previous operating system. But just go ahead and go to your user account now, and we got let's see, all my files. I'll have to mess with this, but you want to go to your pictures and your movies and all that good stuff, and just transfer everything in there that you backed up, and then you're done. And if you got any programs, one thing you want to do is, if you have your disks from when you got your Mac, is to go ahead and insert those the applications disk, because that's going to determine whether you have GarageBand, iPhoto, iMovie, and all that good stuff. So you want to put that in. You want to install all those, and then you're going to go to the top left and click Software Update, and that's going to update it to the latest version of iPhoto, iWhatever, and that's how to do that. And that way it'll be on your computer, because you're going to lose those when you upgrade. But that's how to get them back on there. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. Go ahead and like, comment, do all that good stuff. If I see your comments, I'll try to answer them. If you see somebody comment and you can answer it, go ahead and do that. That way it saves me the time. But anyway, thanks guys.